Tourism experts gather in the Friuli Venezia Giulia region to explore sustainable growth. Why do you think it's important to promote the region of Friuli Venezia Giulia?
The congressional tourism is a very important asset for a region and for a city like Trieste, where more than 70 international institutions operate, and where the percentage, the ratio of scientific researchers are among the highest in Europe. This is the reason why the Generali Convention Center has been set up, and this is one of the reasons why the last year and this year have been so successful in our result. I think that congresses and convention in general can give a strong support to the development of the tourism in a region and in a city like Trieste, because it's a quality tourism, because the kind of people who come usually return with their family and they give a strong contribution to the development of the tourism. Also because it is a very educated kind of tourism which can appreciate the variety and all the characteristics of our region and of the city of Trieste.